It's day 15 of the Solar 500 Challenge. I'm Tim Montague. Welcome to the Solar Podcast. Hey, everybody. I'm going to bring you some great drone footage today of a community solar project. And while we watch that, we're going to talk a little more about community solar and why it's so important here in the Midwest. Before I do that, we are hosting the Solar 500 Challenge, which is setting a goal of reaching 500 subscribers by November 15th. The heat is on, the sun is shining. So please get out there, check out our videos. We bring you tons of great content here on the Solar Podcast, multiple videos on a weekly basis. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Let's get to the video. We are looking at a 15-acre community solar project here in central Illinois in Kankakee County. There's the Gake doing pile driving with our friends from MidAmerican Energy. And this project is just getting off the ground. What you see there are rows and rows of 18, 20-foot piles. These are I-beams. Okay. That's why solar is so easy on the land. It is just steel and pipe and wire in the ground. And it's at the end of its life, after 25 or 30 years, you can either repower the system or pull it out and convert it back to farm ground. It'll be organic farm ground. The ground will be healthier than it was when you started the project. We are in the process here in Illinois of installing 111 community solar projects, which is part of the FEJA legislation. Community solar is so important because it allows renters, people that don't want solar on their roof, people that have a shady roof, to participate directly in solar projects in their territory. In Illinois, we have 3 major utility territories. Here you see the workers installing the racking. We are using solar flex rack single axis trackers on this project. And community solar allows anybody in Ameren, ComEd, or MidAmerican territory to participate directly in a solar project and buy clean power directly from a real live solar project. So please support the Solar 500 Challenge. You can check out all of our content at cesnrg.com/videos. We also host monthly live events. Tomorrow we have Kimberly Centera at Terra Pro Solutions. If you go to cesnrg.com/podcast, you can see all of those upcoming events and they're free to register. So check it out. Thanks, everybody. Let's grow solar and storage. I'm Tim Montague.